Hey everybody! Today we are going to Zion National Park! I'm super freaking excited. First of all, we are taking an RV and I've never been in an RV before. And all my life, I've always wanted to travel in an RV, and today, at 26-year-old, I'm able to. 26 years old. At 26 years old, I'm able to show you guys what we have ready to go in terms of food. And then when the RV comes, I'll share with you what that looks like as well. I am super excited. I've never seen the inside of an RV, only in pictures. Let's show you guys what we have. While the guys went to pick up the car, which is about an hour away, I organized all the stuff that we are bringing into the car. So we have this thing. This is our like trash bags and napkins / paper towels. So I have some sunblock in here. Just so like while we're eating snacks, I don't want the RV to get too dirty. So we definitely have some trash bags, small ones and the big garbage ones as well. And then this bag is bathroom supplies. So we do have a bathroom on the RV. So we have some toilet paper, soap, gloves, and Clorox wipes. And then in here, we gotta have those Haribos, which are Henry's like favorite candy ever. Over here we have mama noodles. I brought this just in case I want some hot noodles or something. And then we have beer. We have these things can go into the trunk because they are less fragile. So we just have some more chip bags, tortilla, mac and cheese. Over here we have more utensils, stuff that the Housies are bringing. So they got their blankets, coolers, some bread. Henry's mom was nice enough to bring up some Vietnamese sandwiches for us. So we just have this, and we have some Vietnamese pork. And oh my goodness, and we have some fruits here too. Let me open it up for you guys to see. We got cherries and then strawberries at the bottom. And that was also courtesy of Henry's mom. She drove up yesterday with so much food for us. We weren't expecting it, but I'm very grateful that she got some snacks for us. It's kind of all that we have so far. Obviously, we have some stuff in the fridge as well. We're gonna be eating, I believe, hamburgers and hot dogs. Just a little bit more about this trip. So we are going tonight. So around 8 to 9 p.m. we're gonna start driving. And it's about a 10.5 hours drive, but you know, with pit stops, and the RV is probably gonna go a lot slower. So we're anticipating it'll be like a 12-hour drive. Yeah, by the time we get there, it'll be basically morning. I'm not sure if we're gonna go to Zion National Park the first day. We might be like stopping by other state parks. And the next day, we will be going to Zion National Park, and I'm super excited to see Zion. And we have like a campground there which is very close to Zion National Park, so yeah, that should be really pretty. Obviously during this time it is really difficult to like plan a trip anywhere, so I'm happy and grateful that I do live with so many housemates. Yeah, I guess that's all I have to say. I can't wait till the car comes. I am going to probably record my reaction. Oh my god! Alright, let's run down. Oh my god! Oh my god, the RV is here. The RV is here! The RV. Walk barefoot. What's up? How was it?
Not bad at all.
First look! Fuck you guys! What? Okay. Oh, all right. Wait, wow. Okay, this is much bigger than I expected. Wow.
It pushes out too.
Oh, wow. This is so nice. Okay, this is the sleeping area / dining. Oh, wow. We got.
610s out.
This is huge.
Can you push it? No.
I feel like I have to do an in-depth review of this later.
Cool.
But
Watch out. Let's do it.
Wow, and this is the bed. This is crazy.
Oh shit.
Holy shit! This is so insane. Oh wait, we haven't checked out the restroom yet, so let's check this out. Ooh, okay. This isn't. How do we open this? Oh my god, the shower is tiny, but it'll work, especially for me. The toilet and
We have 3 now.
this thing.
But there's hella storage space. So this fridge is on all
Yay!
the time. The fridge is on all the time.
Nice. Oh, I didn't even notice that was the fridge.
Right? Yeah.
As
All
long
right.
as the propane's on.
Yeah.
Oh,
you
how come I
push
can't
it-
open
push a little
it?
thingy
Oh, I got it.
Yeah, Brian.
Ooh, wow, this fridge is huge. Let's see how the front looks like.
Fit on this, right?
Cool. This is the driver's seat. It's not bad. Supposed to be a chair right here.
No, it flips. It's a cactus
You
chair.
don't fit.
They both do, right?
So cool.
That's actually pretty sick.
I got my little backpacking backpack. And this is the before math. Everybody's stocking up the RV. This is our storage space. Oh, is there 2 sides?
I think so.
Oh, this one's way bigger. It has the coolers and other random. All right, everybody, we are en route to Zion. How do you feel?
This is cool. It's pretty cool, huh? Yeah.
This is pretty cool. It's 9 p.m.
Thank God we got back here. I did not like those seats.
Penny's here now.
Penny, come here. Penny, come here.
It's pretty comfortable. We have all these plastic bags here because they have all our pillows and our blankets. But yeah, I'm pretty tired. But it's not too bad. It was kind of scary at first because we're going down the hill and where we live. But on the freeway, it's perfectly okay. This is way better. If I knew it was this easy to rent an RV, I felt like I would have done it earlier.
Oh, yeah.
You think so too, right? Because it's kind of cool.
Yeah, like with your family.
Yeah, with family, and it's cheaper too, I think. I have to do the math after. I'm gonna do a video where I show you guys how much it costs to rent an RV and all the little nitty gritty. Okay. All right. 3 hours later, we're at our first pit stop. We're at a Chevron. It's so cold. Ooh. Oh, I should show you guys how the RV looks now that everybody made it their home. Okay. Right here, got lots of backpacks. We turned this into the bed already. It looks pretty uncomfortable, in my opinion. Then we got the bed, obviously. Someone's probably in the restroom, so. Alright, time to take off all my makeup. And the water actually doesn't work, so, or we have to turn it on, and we're driving right now, so I'm just gonna wipe it off. Good night, everybody. Okay, it's 2 a.m. We made it to Wendy's, and we're gonna go brush our teeth and wash our face. Alright guys, so we made it to this restroom at this pit stop, and it's super nice. We got a toilet right here, and it has a shower.
Andrew's driving. And we're almost to Utah. I think 3 more hours.
2 hours and 45 minutes.
2 hours and 45 minutes. And Andrew's been driving the entire time. Whoa, what the hell is that? That's crazy. No idea. Huh. Well, anyways, we just got sunrise and everyone's still sleeping. And yeah, catch you later. Peace.
It's 5 a.m. and we are 2 hours away from our destination, and this fool drove the whole freaking way. It's like 10 hours already. It's crazy. This is my sleeping area. It's pretty comfortable actually. I actually like this little dip right here because it's like for my butt. And then I just lay. And then I go like this. And I'm like this. What's up, everybody? We made it to Quail Creek State Park. It's pretty nice here. There's a lake. People are jet skiing, people are kayaking, paddleboarding, swimming. It's pretty chill, and the weather is perfect here as well. We were supposed to head over to this place called Sand Hollow, and that place looked really, really pretty, but the park was already closed. They have a lot of restrictions because of COVID currently, so a lot of parks are closing early. Even Zion, tomorrow we have to get there really early by like 6 a.m. or else we're not going to be able to hike any of the trails there because they close it off the moment the parking lot is filled. So we're kind of playing by ear, but luckily there's a lot of parks out here, so we can check that out. We fucked up on a couple things, like we don't have a tent, like a big tent, or I should say a canopy, and we don't have like picnic blankets and stuff like that. So in that sense we kind of fucked up, but there's a lot of people just laying out here suntanning.
Hi, you guys. How's your trip so far?
Good. Leaving this park now, we're headed to another campground. Check it out, see if it's available, and I'm on trash duty.